creative redundancy, the one known as CR. Preparedness starts somewhere, and sometimes you're at the bottom, just starting off. But just like this water, this rainwater, the elixir of life for our planet, it slowly can increase, especially if you contain it, like I'm doing right here with this bottle. Well, this cup. So keep that in mind, because in time, with a little effort, you can increase that, gain some skill, increase your knowledge bank, up here, upstairs here, gain some more experience, and in time, it will gather, it will slowly increase. And sometimes, it doesn't even take that long, because every drop counts. And as you can see here, it's not even taking this long to do. I already filled up half the cup, almost half the cup. Well, about 1/3 of the cup already. And technically, it's actually stopped raining. It might be spitting a little, but the main part of the rain has stopped for now. And I'm gathering this up so I can allocate the water later on, because water does matter. So keep that in mind, everyone. Oh, did I mention that I appreciate everyone dropping by and watching my content and leave me encouraging comments? I really appreciate it, especially from the ones that I see more frequently. Seeing you folks leave a comment, especially the ones that are more frequent, really does encourage me to keep making these videos for you guys, you people out there. To keep increasing the supply, just like this water. And as you can see here, it's about 3/4 of the way full. It doesn't take that long to prepare, but you have to sustain it for a period of time, as long as you can, and keep making progress forward. As other people have said, preparedness is not a sprint, it's a marathon. You keep going at it. Yeah, you might take some time off or whatever. It might slow down, like this rain. That you keep dropping in more knowledge into that knowledge bank, adding some more skill in, gaining some more experience by doing the things as people have said in the past. And slowly, in time, keep making progress forward. And like that, look at that. It's right here already. 4 minutes right there. And that's another cup of water right here. I could be using this to like water a sunflower, water a tomato plant, for example. And this is just residual water, as I would say. So like always, everyone, go out there and do something awesome. And as our world changes, we can adapt to our skill and knowledge, get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but we can help someone out there. So take care, everyone, and I appreciate everyone raindropping by.